Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Twitter from here. Click on Twitter and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache, storage, Twitter. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Twitter lag on Note 60 Pro. Please subscribe for more latest new video. Thanks for watching.